Hello, I'm Trevor Desher from Chromium & Co. Chromium has an atomic number of 24 and an atomic mass of 51.996 grams per mole, a melting point of 1,907 degrees Celsius, and a boiling point of 2,672 degrees Celsius. There are 6 common isotopes of chromium, one of which is hexavalent chromium. Hexavalent chromium is a powerful carcinogen. Another isotope is trivalent. Trivalent aids in digesting certain lipids. Most of the current research on chromium is based on trivalent and the importance in our diet. Common compounds of chromium are ferrochromium and chromite. Chromium is used in stainless steel and chromium plating and is corrosion resistant. In the 18th century, it was used as a pigment, and in 1780, Nicholas Louis Vauquelin discovered it while experimenting with Siberian red lead. Chromium gets its name from the Greek word chroma, which means color, due to its very colorful compounds.
Good afternoon. My name is Sergeant Rome, or as to many of you know, Sarge. I am from the United States Research and Science Division. I'm here to tell you about the newest element in our arsenal. This element is molybdenum. It has an atomic mass of 45.96 grams and the atomic number is 42. Molybdenum is also the Greek word for lead. Carl Wilhelm Scheele in 1778 discovered molybdenum while he had confused it as lead at first. There are many compounds to molybdenum, but a few of these are molybdenite, wolfenite, powellite, and it is also a byproduct of mining of tungsten and copper. Some uses for molybdenum is for electrical filaments, electric glass furnaces, aircraft and missile parts, and it also takes part in a nuclear reactor. Some of the chemical properties of molybdenum, it has one of the highest melting temperatures of 4,753 degrees Fahrenheit or 2,623 degrees Celsius. It has a 25% greater density than iron, and it has a hardness of 5.5. The separation process for molybdenum is an oxidation and then leaching process. And the abundance of this element in the entire world is 1.2 milligrams per kilogram. Thank you for listening.
Guten Tag. My name is Kuno von Schneller from the German Science and Research Department. Today I'm going to talk to you about element number 74, which is tungsten. The atomic mass of tungsten is 183.84, and in 1783 was discovered by Juan José and Fausto Elihujar and was discovered in the mineral wolframite. The name originates from the Swedish words tung and sten, which means heavy stone. The symbol comes from the mineral wolframite, which the name Wolfram means devourer of tin. Current research on this element is very limited, but is being done in the electronics industry. 5 chemical properties of tungsten are: it is ductile, very dense, soft enough to cut with handsaw, it has a high melting temperature, and when contaminated with other materials, it becomes brittle and difficult to work with. The separation process of tungsten from tungsten ore, it is first crushed, then cleaned, then treated with alkali metals to form tungsten trioxide, which is then heated with carbon or hydrogen gas, forming pure tungsten and CO2. Some common compounds of tungsten are tungsten carbide and tungsten disulfide. Pure tungsten runs around $11 American per 100 grams. Fun fact, tungsten carbide is very hard metal which can be used for very many purposes, such as in bullets and wedding bands. Ach tang.
You don't see